Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix can't completely uninstall Linux from a UEFI Windows Linux dual boot. Start with Windows boot. Right-click Start button. Click Run. Type disk mgmt.msc, click OK. Select unlabeled partition and delete. Don't delete system partition. Right-click Delete Volume. Click OK to delete volume. Successfully Linux volume deleted. Right-click labeled drive, click Extend volume. Click Next to continue. Click Next to continue. Click Finish. Type CMD in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click Yes to continue. Type disk part. List space disk. Disk 0 displayed. Select space disk space 0. List space partition. Select system partition. Select space partition space system partition number, my case system partition number is 1. Assign space letter equal X. Type exit from disk part. Xcolan. dir. cd space EFI. dir. In my case Linux directory is Ubuntu. rd space Linux directory space /s. Type Y to delete. Exit from command prompt. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.